It might seem like there's nothing in there, but look, my tomatoes are coming out. Tomatoes. My itty bitty tomato. Itty bitty tomato. I'm not sure if this is gonna be alive. I hope it does. Okay. Do you see any? Look closer. There they are. Itty bitty pepper coming out. Itty bitty pepper coming out. See that? Yes. My plants are coming out. I'm so happy. I learned I can actually grow something. What did I do? Nawala si Saro ulit nan. It's so promising. My onions. Look at my onions. My raspberry growing big. Irish flowers. Irish. My Irish. And this one, my pink blooms. Pretty.